dolls, welcome back to Exquisite.dee. How you guys are doing today? I hope you guys are having a great blessed day. So let's get right into this video. So today's video I was able to do thanks to Persephone on Amazon. Shout out to them. They sent me this curly UPART wig, and I'm gonna show you dolls how I install this on my beautiful model Michelle. And let's get into this video. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. Alrighty dolls, so I'm sewing the U-part down to her braids. Her hair was already braided and I just took one of the braids loose, and I'm just gonna sew it onto the braids that she already have done. So this U-part, this particular U-part, you don't have to sew it down. You can just plop it on. It does come with 3 wig combs around the U-part, and it also has elastic bands to hold the U-part in place. It has adjustable straps and some wig combs in the back and on the side. So this U-part is really up to you if you want to use it with the wig combs or without the wig combs. You just sew it down, or you can just take the wig combs off if it hurts and use bobby pins. When I try to do that with my hair, that's what I did. So yeah, it's very versatile. It's extremely soft. It was easy to do. Like, it took me like a few minutes just to put this U-part on. It literally was like in a snap of a finger. I did cut like some layers in the front just so that it just won't be one length. I just cut some layers. Okay, so the details on this hair, this is a 16-inch deep Brazilian curly unit. It says the left part U-part, but you can put it as a middle part and you can use it as a right side. You don't have to use it as a left part. It comes in this natural curl pattern. I haven't cold washed this unit at all. So this is just straight out the box. Cut some layers, put some water on there, and then you'll see what I do just to get the curls to pop. Okay dolls, now I'm going to take her leave out and I'm going to use my hand to part it. FYI, her hair is dirty. We're just trying to do this video so I can have it out for the hair company. So yeah, now I'm just going to get water to spray her hair. Since her hair is a looser curl pattern, it's going to blend really good with the hair. So I'm just going to spray water, get her curls to pop, so I can add some gel so they can make it match the hair texture. Also dolls, you gotta pick this spray bottle up from Amazon. This is the best spray bottle. I swear it's so good for natural hair. I use it with my natural hair. It's the best spray bottle I ever tried in my life. Like, oh my god, I'm linking in the description box below. If you want to get the spray bottle, it comes in different colors. It's the holy grail of holy grails. So yeah, I'm just gonna use my brush just to brush her hair into the U part so the curls can really pop. Alrighty dolls, so everything else is going to be very self-explanatory, so I'm just going to explain it right now for you guys. So I'm just going to be spraying her hair with water as I was doing the previous clip. I'm using the Eco Styler gel, the castor oil one, this one with the red top, and I'm just using that just to define her curls. And as for her edges, I used the Edge Booster Style Factor to lay her baby hairs down, well, her edges. I used that to lay it down, and that's it. That's how easy and seamless this wig is. It's definitely a grab and go wig, especially for my natural girls. This is the best wig I ever put on Michelle. That was super duper easy. So make sure to grab you one of these units, purchase it dolls, because it's definitely a grab and go unit. I do have another U-part wig, so I'll show you how to use it for 4C hair, so make sure to stay tuned for that video. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy the rest of this video, and I'll see you dolls in my next video. And shout out to Persephone for sending me this unit.